Member, head, member, head, member, head. I let a snake come sit around me, he can't sit around me no more. Throwing threats, this nigga tweaking too. I get him down on the low, my niggas do what they want.
Yeah, we do what we want.
Pop out and shoot who they want.
Yeah, we shoot who we want.
Talking stupid all on Instagram, that shit made for a hoe. He was my dog, I cut him off. Now I got no use for you, bro. Make a move if you want.
Make a move if you want.
It's front page news for a chump.
It's front page news for a chump.
A lot of these niggas be hating, I been seen the fake shit, but I'm making comfortable moves. I be with Rocky and Easy and a few others, but I do not fuck with them dudes. Why do these niggas keep yapping like they wanna die, like they ain't got nothing to lose? I'm tryna get me some money, not sit in the cell, cause I ain't got nothing to prove. Listen to what I be saying, cause nigga, you try me, I'm bucking the two. I can leave cells all over your strip or give you some puncture wounds. Throw away gun, I dump the two. Shoot to the crib, cut on the news. Lying, making up stories, fabricating. I let a snake come sit around me, he can't sit around me no more. Throwing threats, this nigga tweaking too. I get him down on the low, my niggas do what they want.
Yeah, we do what we want.
Pop out and shoot who they want.
Yeah, we shoot who we want.
Talking stupid all on Instagram, that shit made for a hoe. He was my dog, I cut him off. Now I got no use for you, bro. Make a move if you want.
Make a move if you want.
It's front page news for a chump.
It's front page news for a chump.
Members, head, members, relax, bitch, I got him, bitch, round two, members. He was just hitting my phone and hitting my DM with plans and writing a verse. Pay for promotion, the members start booming and the nigga called me, I know he was cursed. Called him my brody, thought he was my brother, he really a pussy, I buy him a purse. Nigga, I buy him a dress, I buy him a wig, a members design a shirt. I do not care, got hundreds of thousands of people behind his hearse. I smoke them all from small as the biggest, like I ain't had time to smoke. Close range, hit shot, bang, no time to smoke. Look at him drowning inside of his blood like he ain't had time to choke. I let a snake come sit around me, he can't sit around me no more. Throwing threats, this nigga tweaking too. I get him down on the low, my niggas do what they want.
Yeah, we do what we want.
Pop out and shoot who they want.
Yeah, we shoot who we want.
Talking stupid all on Instagram, that shit made for a hoe. He was my dog, I cut him off. Now I got no use for you, bro. Make a move if you want.
Make a move if you want.
It's front page news for a chump.
It's front page news.